going to show you how you can mix two separate voices of any two people to create a single unique AI generated voice. Maybe you like the voice of a certain celebrity and you want to use it for your content voiceover, but you don't want to use the exact same voice. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to YouTube and find at least a 10-minute audio clip of that person talking with no background noise. Ideally, it's in an interview or a podcast. All right, once you find your YouTube video with the audio of the voice that you want, you're going to want to convert that video into an MP3 audio file. All right, and once you have your MP3 clips, you're going to go to 11 Labs. I'll have a link down to the description, and you want to click on speech to speech. They call this speech synthesis. So first thing we're gonna have to do is create our clone voices with the audio clips that we downloaded. So on the left-hand side, you can click on voices, add generative and clone voices, and we're gonna do instant voice cloning. So for the first voice I have David Goggins, which we're just gonna call DG. And I'm going to import the audio clips of David Goggins. All right, so I have 4 different samples here. You can add up to 25 samples. Each one of these samples is only about 5 minutes long, but the more samples you can give it, the better your end voice and your end product is going to sound. Then you click add voice. All right, now that we have our clone voice, I want to go back to speech synthesis. Click on speech to speech. In the drop-down menu, find your voice that you just created. For voice settings, we can leave that how it is for now. And then we're going to add the audio of the second voice that we want to synthesize with our first voice. And how this works is the first voice that you create, really the tone is going to sound like that voice. And the second voice that we drop in here is really going to use that person's cadence and patterns as they speak. So you'll see what I mean here. For the second voice, I downloaded audio clips of Elon Musk. And then you can drop the audio clip of your second voice here. Here we'll listen to a sample that I'm putting in of Elon Musk's voice.
Could not function. So I do think we actually need, and actually at this time, I think we actually need more oil and gas, not less. But simultaneously moving as fast as we can to a sustainable
and then click generate
economy.
There's a little bit of music in the background, but I still think it's going to be okay. So now I have the generated voice, right? This is going to be the voice of David Goggins with the cadence of Elon Musk. So what this did is this actually created a 4.5 minute clip for us of this new unique voice. So now what we can do is download this clip by clicking right here. We can head back to voices and back to add generative voice. Go back to instant voice cloning. And we'll name this one DM for David Musk. We'll drop in our new audio clip and click add voice. Now we can go back to speech and we can use this voice now as a text-to-speech voiceover. So we can click on text-to-speech. We make sure that we select the new voice that we created, which is DM. And we can type in whatever we want them to say. All right, so let's listen to the final voice.
Hi, I am a voice combination or David Goggins and Elon Musk. Can you hear it in my voice? Thanks for watching this tutorial.
And there you have it. And so I actually used audio clips that weren't very long and that had background music. So the better audio clips that you use and the longer length of audio clip that you use to make these voices, the more accurate and the better results you're going to get. If you haven't used 11 Labs before, I have a link in the description, and thanks for watching.